Hey everybody, this is Simon. In this video, we will take a look at selection sort. Selection sort is a sorting algorithm that repeatedly finds the smallest or largest element from the unsorted part of a list and places it at the beginning of the unsorted portion. This process is repeated until the entire list is sorted. Let's see the selection sort in action. We will sort the array in ascending order. We start from the beginning of the array and search for the smallest number. 1 is the smallest number, we swap it with the first item in the array. Now 1 is in the proper spot and everything on the right is unsorted. In the next iteration, we will start with the second element. We're scanning the unsorted part and find the smallest number. 2 is the smallest number. We swap 3 and 2. Now 2 in the proper place. We start the next iteration from the third element. We're scanning the unsorted part. 3 is the smallest number. Swap 5 and 3. 4 is the next smallest number, and it is already in the proper place. The algorithm doesn't know it, and will scan the unsorted part and swap 4 on itself. The next iteration is started from the fifth item in the array. The algorithm scans the unsorted part, finds the smallest number. Swap 8 and 5. 5 in the proper place. The last iteration starts from the last element in the array. Only 8 is left in the unsorted part. 8 is the smallest number. The algorithm swaps 8 on itself. We completed the sorting of the array. Here is how to implement selection sort in Python. The implementation in C# or Java is very similar. The time complexity of selection sort is big O of n squared, where n is the size of the array. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.